If you have diabetes, should you stop eating Garri completely? Garri can raise your blood sugar quickly because it is high in carbohydrates. But portion size does matter. Eating a large bowl of Garri with sugar can cause a sharp blood sugar spike. However, eating a small portion with protein and fiber may reduce the sugar spike. This is where the super combination of granite and Garri come in handy. So, if you are eating Garri or drinking Garri or soaking Garri with lots of granite, and sometimes you can throw in fish as well, you are good. The key is portion control and food combinations. We advise about half a fist size of Garri if you are using it for swallow, half a fist size with vegetable soups, okra soups, etc., with plenty of lean, fat free protein. Follow Famedix Help with Diabetes Care Center for more diabetes tips.